Hello everyone, this is Harleen Ma. Welcome to Digital Marketing Jobs Bulletin Bangalore. In today's video, we are going to see current openings for digital marketeers for Bangalore location. Let's get started. First, we go to Google and search for digital marketing jobs for Bangalore location. So you can see these all are the job openings we are going to get. Every week I will come up with the new openings. You can see these posts, these job openings is 1 day ago. If you go and click, so this company is looking for digital marketing manager jobs in Bangalore. We have EPG Consulting, they are looking for digital marketing manager. You can make a note of these companies and start applying, because this should be part of your job search plan. Gone are the days when you just upload your resume and wait for call. So this is the intention behind this video, that you must be knowing updates, you must be knowing what all are the current openings, you must be knowing what's going in the market and what all openings are there for you if you are looking for a job in digital marketing. So you can see this job opening is 11 hours ago. So you can check EPG Consulting, their JD, before you start applying. Then we have this company called Nimisa. 2 days old post is this. So whenever I'm showing you openings, I make sure that these openings should be recent. One, because there is no use to apply to those job openings which are old. So I'm taking care of this. So you can see we have 3 openings till now. Then we can see this content creator marketing manager jobs in Bangalore, Wellness Garden. Then we have Dot Mappers IT Private Limited. They are also looking for social media marketing executives. According to your skill set, you check the JD and start applying for these jobs. We have Numan Health. They are looking for digital marketing, 6 to 8 years of experience. Then we have manager digital marketing B2B SaaS companies, 3 to 11 years. CyberPass Consultants, 18 hours ago they have posted this job opening. They are looking for digital sales consultant. Then we have opening for digital marketing executive, Innovari Technologies. Digital media buyer, Greedy Game, they are looking for digital media buyer. Then this company is looking for digital marketing interns. So my suggestion, I am giving you list of companies, those who are looking for digital marketeer. So according to your skill set and according to your experience, you can go and start applying for these companies. Digital marketing executive, RST Booking Private Limited. Digital marketing manager, this is the company name, Crohn's IT Technologies. Digital marketing internship, this is the company they are looking for interns. So these all are updated one. These all are the recent current openings in the market if you are looking for a job for Bangalore location. So this is K12 Techno Services. They are looking for head of digital marketing. They have mentioned the experience as well. You can go to their JD if it matches your skill set and experience. Digital marketing executive, Persona Trust is looking for digital marketing executive. Digital marketing internship, this job opening is 1 day old. Digital marketing part-time, Farid Consultants, they are also looking for digital marketers part-time in case you are looking for a part-time job or internship. Otherwise, all the current openings which we are discussing in this video are full-time. Social media marketing executive, Dot Mappers IT Private Limited, they are looking for social media marketing executive. So in case if you are looking for a job in SEO, then you can go and check this company, Patam Digital Technologies. Go through their JD. This post is 1 day old. So these all are the current openings for this week, and we are just taking care of recent job openings. So you can just watch this video and start applying to these companies according to your skill set. Digital marketing executive, Maximus Human Resources Private Limited. They are looking for digital marketing executive. This post is 2 days old and full time. You can go through the JD and apply. This school is looking for digital marketing manager. Staff IOHR, they are looking for digital marketing manager. Firefox consultants, they are looking for digital marketing head. You can check their roles and responsibilities. So before you apply to any of the job openings, you make sure you go through their roles and responsibilities. NetDocs Health is looking for content writer. Digital marketing executive, you can see i2Soft Technologies, they are looking for digital marketing executive. I have seen so many posts on LinkedIn and people are saying there are no job openings because of COVID-19. So make sure you go through this video till end and find there are many opportunities, current openings for digital marketeers for Bangalore location. So this company is also looking for digital marketing manager. You can see so many opportunities you have if you are into digital marketing for Bangalore location. I make sure that I will make one list also and share with you guys in comment section so you can easily track the company names and start applying. So this next place, Info Private Limited, they are looking for content writer and they have mentioned the experience as well. Digital marketing specialist, this job opening is 3 days old. Oracle is hiring digital marketing specialist. So many companies are hiring digital marketeers, digital marketing head, digital marketing executive. So this company is also hiring digital marketing executive. You will get list of companies who all are hiring this week and the recent current openings they have. Champions Infometrics, they are looking for email campaign specialist. Digital marketing Admi brand, they are also looking for digital marketing profile. Digital Deepak is also looking for SEO executive for Bangalore location. Creed Global Technologies, they are looking for digital marketing intern. Oracle is looking for digital marketing solution consultant. Nispara is looking for digital marketing analyst. Monet Digital India, they are looking for digital marketing expert. I Mind Your Business, they are looking for digital marketing and social media manager. Quantzig, they are looking for digital marketing lead or manager. Olive Board is looking for senior manager digital marketing. eCare is looking for digital marketing executive. You can see this job opening is 3 days old and full-time job opening. Consistent Infotech Private Limited, they are also looking for digital marketing executive. Digital Deepak is looking for social media marketing profiles. Your Communication is looking for digital marketing specialist. Indigo Solutions are looking for digital marketing interns. Digital Deepak is looking for search engine optimizer. Diamond Word, they are looking for digital marketing executive. They are looking at someone who has at least 1 year of working experience in digital marketing. Now we will have a look at LinkedIn job section. So these all are the openings. This opening is 1 week old, 1 day old, and you can see organic growth manager. which status is looking for organic growth manager, and you can start applying to these openings through LinkedIn or through other platforms. So this all job openings are for Bangalore location. Head of digital marketing, this is the company name. Digital marketing specialist, this is the company name. You can go and check. They are hiring digital marketing experts. Social media marketing manager, you can consider this opening as well because it has posted 1 week ago. We will leave all the openings which are like 4 weeks old. We just focus on the recent one, the current openings in the market. Maymin Systems, they are looking for digital marketing manager. EY is looking for email campaign specialist. They have posted this job opening 13 hours ago. Digital marketing specialist for Bangalore location. RDS Digital, they are also looking for digital marketing intern for Bangalore location. So in comment section you will get list of companies who are looking for digital marketeers for Bangalore location. I hope you like this video and see you in the next video. And please subscribe to get more updates or to get weekly updates regarding the current openings in digital marketing for Bangalore location. Thanks.